Imagine this, a company's stock price has been falling, losing almost half its value in a year, but then, out of nowhere, it jumps up by over 60% in just one night. Why did this happen? A big deal worth $2.4 billion is making waves in the retail world. This is the exciting story of Foot Locker and Dick's Sporting Goods. In a surprising move, Dick's Sporting Goods is planning to buy Foot Locker for about $2.4 billion. This means they want to pay $24 for each share of Foot Locker, which is a lot more than its recent price of just under $13. When people heard the news, Foot Locker's stock price jumped over 60% in after-hours trading, but Dick's stock went down by about 5% because investors were worried about how the deal would affect its finances. Foot Locker has been having a tough time lately, with its stock price dropping a lot this year. This is because they haven't been selling as much as they hoped. Also, Nike changed their prices, which hurt Foot Locker's earnings. Foot Locker depends a lot on selling Nike stuff, which makes up a big part of their sales. So, when Nike changes things, it really affects Foot Locker. Dick's Sporting Goods wants to buy Foot Locker because it would help them grow bigger and reach more customers. This move could make Dick's a stronger company in the world of sports clothes and shoes. By buying Foot Locker, Dick's would get access to over 3,000 stores around the world, making them more powerful and competitive. People had different feelings about the news. Foot Locker's stock went up a lot, but Dick's stock went down, making some people worried. Experts are watching closely, and some think the companies could work well together. But others are worried about how hard it might be to combine two big stores. Let's take a look at how Foot Locker's stock has changed over time. The highest price ever for Foot Locker's stock was $62.65 on December 8, 2016. In the last year, the stock price has gone up and down between $11 and $33.94. Recently, the stock price has moved closer to its average of $22.14 for the past year, but it's still much lower than its highest price ever. While the big buyout looks exciting, there are some tricky parts to think about. Bringing together two big stores isn't easy, because they need to work well together, run smoothly, and keep their customers happy. Plus, getting the green light from the government and making sure all the owners agree is super important for the deal to work. If the deal goes through as planned, it could be done by May 15th. Both Foot Locker and Dick's Sporting Goods will share how much money they made at the end of May. Dick's will tell us their results on May 28th, and Foot Locker will share theirs on May 29th. These reports will help us understand how well they are doing with their money and what the big deal might mean for their future. This big deal is a huge moment for stores that sell clothes and shoes, and it might change how we shop for our favorite brands. We'll keep an eye on what's happening and let you know the latest news. So stay tuned to find out more about this exciting story.